Hello, I'm Vice-Chancellor Shân Wareing and I'm here to give you a very big welcome to our Clearing Information and Tours Day. At Middlesex, we're proud of being a positive and welcoming community, and I hope that you all feel personally welcome today and like this could be a special place for you. Today is your chance to find out what Middlesex is like so you can make the best possible decision during clearing about your university choice. For me, clearing is an exciting opportunity to study the course you love at a university that's just right for you, so never let anyone tell you it's a second best option. This is a big moment and an important decision, and we have lots of support available for you so you can feel confident in your next step. We have places on courses in a range of fantastic subjects, and you can apply online today or speak to us directly. What we value is your ambition and potential, not just your grades. And many of the students who've joined us through clearing are thriving now. Middlesex is a special place to study, and I'm sure of that because it's what our students think. This year they voted us London's University of the Year and second in the UK. Middlesex provides a world-class education to prepare you for your career in a rapidly evolving job market. Some of the things that are most important to our students are our career focus, because we help you develop career-ready skills that employers look for starting from day one of your course. Our supportive community that includes your teaching team, our wellbeing services and all our staff who are here to back you from day one. Our fantastic campus and exceptional facilities so that you have everything you need to learn and achieve, whether it's our virtual reality and augmented reality that we use to teach sports and nursing and midwifery, or the motion capture suite in our animation department. Our North London location is perfectly situated in the UK's most dynamic city, so full of opportunities, and yet with quiet green spaces on campus and on our doorstep, with strong links to our vibrant and inclusive North London community. This is a relaxed and friendly day, and we want you to feel at home with us. While you're with us today, I hope you'll take a campus tour to see our facilities, speak to your teaching team about your course, talk to current students to find out what they think about studying here, get advice on applying through clearing or on your next steps if you've already applied to us. Your journey to get here today is unique to you. I hope that, like our current students, after spending some time with us, you'll feel confident about making your application or accepting your offer from us. We would love to welcome you to Middlesex, and I really look forward to seeing you on campus in September.